What's going on, Box Chevy family? It's Box Chevy P back again with another one. We up and at 'em early this morning. And we will be shipping off the LS to get the motor done, the 4-door LS. I know that can be confusing sometimes when I say LS to people who really don't understand cars. They might think I'm talking about the blue box, but we dropping off the box. I'm just moving my cars around so we can get this motor out the garage and get the car moved around. So y'all stay tuned. Let's go. Alrighty, we in this thing. Rise and shine. Alright. Today is the day. Won't look nothing like this when y'all see it again. Nothing like this. So we gonna get you rolled out to the front. I'm gonna have to move some of this stuff out the way. We gonna roll this out to the front. Get my engine hoist out. Pretty much where I need it. Just now waiting on Mark to pull up. This is my buddy who did the engine in my last car. He pretty good. You know, that's what he specialized in. He one of those people that go above and beyond when he doing work for you. And that's what I appreciate. You know, some people just do what you're paying them to do. Some people go beyond the call of duty. He's definitely one of those guys that go beyond the call of duty. So the motor will be going back in this box that it came in. Right here. I'm debating on if I want to use these spark plugs and wires. I see he had some rat poison in there just in case I guess some mice tried to come eat up the engine the guy I bought it from, but it's on its way, fellas, or guys, ladies and gents. So stay tuned.
He has his two kids during the summer, so his kids were there. And then his girlfriend was there, and then my daughter was babysitting for him.
Yep. See the motor on the back of the truck? We on the way. We're on the way. Don't you come out here, man. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing out here. Kids got my damn iPad again. I'm gonna have to take that and put it up for they be done broken. They already broke my first iPad that I bought for this. Damn kids, but yeah, we on our way, man. So y'all stay tuned. It's just the beginning. Motor about to get right up in here. Y'all stay tuned. It's a nice little drive where we going, bud. It'll be good to go. Y'all just hang on. I should make y'all take this ride with me, but I'm gonna cut y'all back on when we get there, man. Yes, sir.
All the clamps to hold it together. I just welded it.
Okay, so that's probably gonna be more. It'll be a little stronger, huh?
I like it. And then, did you see this yet? I got a little bit more work because when I welded all this together, it kind of warped. Right,
Oh, so you got the
panel right here.
Okay,
But
you got the gas cap in there, huh? Slick, and that's a motorcycle gas cap.
yeah.
Slick. So you did get it in there, huh? When you plan on painting it? Check out the
I don't know.
lug.
Soon.
Oh, slick. So what? So did you put coilovers in the rear too, or just in the or in the front? So you put it in the front or no? You put them in the rear.
Just in the rear. I got
Okay.
coilovers in the rear with a 4-link though.
Okay.
And then
What kind of rear end you got in here?
just a stock one. But it's
Okay.
got posi though.
Okay.
It's been modified. It's got a track lock locker in it.
Okay.
Or a ratchet lock locker, so it's kind of like a limited slip almost. Placed right up over here on Boundary Road and scrapped it.
So you say mine should look similar, huh? Or
It
close-
depends on what kind of paint you get.
I want this paint. If
Okay.
that's the paint you get, that I want it nice and shiny.
Yep.
I know you took yours all apart. I mean, you might not have to take mine all apart, but I want it to look decent.
Yeah, if you want it to look like this, I ordered, I got the paint from Napa and I sprayed it with my paint gun.
You got all the goodies in here. That's the MSD. You got this thing looking good, man. And I done seen it coming along just over time. You know what I mean? It was in pieces when you did the last motor. on the horses. Yeah, that thing. Now, he did all of this work himself, just so y'all know. What plugs up here? Freeze plugs or something? What plugged up here?
Oh, that's my my heater.
Okay.
I don't have the heater all hooked up yet. I'm still wondering if I want to do AC.
Yeah. The AC will look nice. It's a nice serpentine setup you got on here.
It's the factory 4.3 liter serpentine.
Yeah, I figured that when it's sitting up high, the high mount.
Yeah, because otherwise the V8 would come over here. I just thought it looked
the
cool.
MSD box over there. That's the black one. And you got everything color coordinated, nice and neat. That's the look I'm going for. Probably won't look this good. You spent a lot of money, but it. Now, what's the difference? We about to take a ride in this thing. So we out here, got it going. Got the other car moved. Everything is in the truck. So we ready to rock and roll, y'all. Stay tuned. We're gonna go for a ride in the Blazer while we're here. If you do get pulled over, they might just pull you over to check it out.
Right?
That's how slick it looks. Thing definitely move. What kind of training you got in here?
Stock training.
Stock training?
Yep. I'm hoping I don't blow it up, otherwise I'm gonna have to get a new one.
This thing pushing.
So. Yeah, I can spin them when I'm rolling.
Yeah.
Like, I don't have to come to a complete stop to spin them. So.
This thing got a lot of pull to it. I'm definitely feeling that 500 or somewhere near. Nice.
And the manual helps too.
Yeah. Both of them work. This thing, you're gonna need some rear tires in a minute.
Well, I got new front ones already, so I want to burn these rear ones up a little bit, and then I'm gonna get
go with the same one.
Yeah,
this thing definitely roll.
And then I got the LED lights in the front.
Nice. I know those look nice at nighttime, don't they? Because that's how mine is. You don't get to appreciate them until the sun go down, until it get a little darker.
Right.
Look how low this thing is, like a demon, don't it?
Oh yeah.
This thing is sick, y'all. You got this 500 horses. You gonna show off for the camera? Go ahead. Thing drink gas.
50 at the wheel.
Yeah, I know it cuts it a lot going through everything,
It's
but
about 150 less at the wheels, I think.
okay.
Dude, I told you about my guy's track hawk, didn't I?
Who in Lloyd ended up getting one?
No, my other guy's got one too. 1,000 at the wheels.
Woo! Stock. What those track hogs like 800 stock or something though, right? Close to it.
Hellcat motor. So
Okay.
707. But his is it's supposed to be about 1,000 at the wheels.
Yeah, I thought you might have ran out when it shut off when you hit the corner. I said, uh-oh, unless that gas went to one side of that gas tank. You know how that go.
Yeah. Well, it might have been a little bit of both.
Yeah. Huh?
I think that's Matt's truck right there.
No, that's not Matt. He just pulled it. He was just pulling
I
in.
just seen a black one.
Yeah.
pull in.
See, this one, the Chevrolet Max, the
This
GMC.
is a GM, but it's all blacked out.
Yeah.
Like this one right here.
I'm not gonna hot rod it.
Yeah. So we back. Y'all see the garage is empty. We dropped off Ghost to get the heart surgery. See, Ghost died on power, but he still lives over here. You know what I'm talking about? They killed my boy, but he gonna live on through the box Chevy. But yeah, so we gonna do that. But I'm gonna go to the storage. It ain't gonna be in this video, but I'm gonna go to the storage and get my other box Chevy, bring it back home. That way we have a little content to work on here. This going in the shop this week as well because they need a transmission. Still running and driving fine, but the reverse is shaky. It take a minute to engage in reverse, so you know once the reverse starts going out, that's a sign of a bad transmission. I already had it diagnosed by a professional. Y'all see my lug nuts is broke off. I gotta go get some studs. That's another story. I bought the wrong lug nuts, which was these. They was too big and they was rubbing in here, making a loud noise while my car was riding. So I couldn't tighten them all the way up. It was a lot of shit. They were so tight on there that when I took them off, I broke the studs off of there. So that's another story. But y'all stay tuned, man. Be looking out. Y'all know it's gonna be more content coming with that motor. I'm gonna be bringing y'all along the journey. We ain't gonna just be waiting on it. We're gonna be checking in on it, and you know, I'm gonna give y'all a lot of updates. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm about to go up in here and shit, shave, and bathe, clean myself up, and get out of here. So y'all be looking forward to them new updates, though. Like I said, I'll be bringing y'all along on this journey for the motor swap. So stay tuned. Catch y'all on the next one. Y'all don't want to miss it because it's gonna be epic. Peace.